and in fact, Balia people are all very nice and they have a little bit of aggression. If channeled properly, they can really make a difference. And I have seen that in practice. बहुत सारे incidents ऐसे होते हैं where we find some aggression, but they are all very nice and eventually all of them support us, all of them come together और बहुत अच्छे काम करने में हम लोग सफल हुए हैं बलिया में. अभी जैसे प्रोफेसर शुक्ला ने आपने पॉइंट आउट किया दैट सुरहा ताल इज वन मेजर पॉइंट, वन मेजर प्लेस वेयर विच कैन लीड टू इकोनॉमिक डेवलपमेंट ऑफ दिस एरिया. It has immense tourism potential which has not been exploited till now. So just to connect this with how engaging with engaging communities, just day before yesterday आप लोग का यहाँ पे कॉन्फ्रेंस चल रहा होगा या कॉन्फ्रेंस की तैयारी चल रही होगी. We were outside present at Surha Dal and we were talking to the entire fishermen community over there. Boating. And from 10th December we'll be opening this lake as a picnic spot, something which has never been done before. And we will not be spending a single penny of the government. This is full and total community involvement and community engagement. There's nothing that will be done from my side. There's nothing that will be done. The only thing that we've done is that we've spoken to them, we've motivated them, we've told them that yes, you can do this and we'll support you. जैसे कि मैं आपने कहा कि किसी भी काम के लिए law and order का the entire framework is very important. So that will be our only role, and they have come forward in saying that yes, we will do it. We've said that all the proceeds, whatever work you do, whatever earning that will happen it will be absolutely yours. We have no problem, just that law and order should be maintained, some basic points should be maintained, and we will ensure that the safety and security of the entire place. But आप लोगों को यहाँ पे you have, and they've already almost 20 to 25 boats have been prepared. They're all they've painted it in bright colors. और वो लोग बिल्कुल जो है they have set the rate at which they will take the tourists for a round. और वो पूरा काम शुरू हो गया. And I invite all of you, आप लोग आइए 10 दिसंबर को. We'll have a beautiful function over there and we'll inaugurate Surha Tal for a beautiful boating experience.